Ankutangira ntekaniza olubazo kiro kino kya mukaaga buli kya mukaaga tubawo ntekaniza eno Kitara TV entekaniza olubazo tuleeta abantu abembaganiza nibakunyumiza nibakuwa olubazo olwembaganiza kandi ninyogira sikyo muhendo musajja mulisa kandi omwabamoli last Saturday nkabani mbagambira nti Kitara TV twikiza omwaka gumu kwenda kubasiima abarozi baitu abatuhondera abateeka akasente amonye Kitara TV otekaka akasente bwembizi binobero bintu bakusera bukatemba nokutemba muteka bwembizi bujibizi no rakti abasimu yawe laptop yawe notuhondera arabanywani banga batarugwa ntekanize no arabangamba bojo turamukiyehoga no mojo mwana wange rukundo Richard yaro kugonza James aro apo kiwini aro muri bayingi muno kwenda kubasima mwabada muno kuhondagente kanzeno mugamba nyoti mu rugawo aro mwesigwa Patrick nayo toruga ntekanize no webale muno kubagani mutuhondera Kitara TV ninye mutufoire kine kituli for this one year currently we are one of the biggest platforms eziri online muitaka line lya Bunyoro kandi ntekanize yakiro kino olubazo it is a different edition nyina timu yembaganiza ntekanize eno andatujja ku bantu bazahali particularly music industry ya Bunyoro tujja ku bantu bazenkoragana agati y'abazini aba producer aba MC aba DJ aba presenters you know mwere nimbungisa muna abazina bembaganiza abakare nimondete kaniza yange abazini bakusinga niwe mu rugunya aba presentati batelebizina byabo tibatinda kutelebizina bya Bunyoro benda kusoka kuba akasende nyagamba kandete timu eno tube bitukubazaho ebembaganiza with me nyina producer Matrix or the bit ya Matrix
Africa Uganda to the world
ramuki habaruzi baktati
baruzi baktati TV amabara neiraka banyeta Matrix on the beat number 1 producer the biggest in Bunyoro and some parts of Africa okay tegereza in the next few years I will be the biggest in the world anyway music producer talent manager CEO Brainworks Entertainment signing abana bangi bakubaletera at the same time by Unite Goodwill Ambassador National Uganda yona omuzini weka mu Uganda
omulimo go gutaho sente
omuzini wa kamazembe mbamalira akamba omuzini weka mu Uganda yakaziniraho ga mu parliament plenary record
bandi batesizai nyina the mic squeezer timanyire ba baito bitse bya ebiraira baito kakinja mpimo kubimubaliriza ramuki abarozi ba Kitara TV abali
okay abarozi ba Kitara TV emende ya Kitara baramuki kandi batangira Kitara TV thanks for loving our one of the best TV stations around here in Bunyoro amwebali kigonzaga and program olubazo tuyizire kumantukika mu ensonga ezitalizimu the ups and downs of Bunyoro entertainment and Urban Navic MC Slim Boys, Mike Squeezer, and of course social media platforms. You can follow me, but I'm an actor, model, fashionista, social media influencer, presenter, Spice FM, Club Magic, Kiss Condom, and Tusker Light. Those are the companies ezikya kubata nazo. Batangirire then katugende maiso netekaniza yaitu
nyina omugezi worubuga polibikera mu kyabarozi baktati
yes gwebale kuba no roro mukuto gwa mani Kitara TV online abagifollowinga YouTube Facebook Twitter na mtimbagano endi yona ya online mwebale muno ninyo wa polibike omugezi w'ekibuga kandi kora na Spice programme ya nyenchakara Morning Daylight Spice FM ndio kwa ntubaza ibintu byembaganiza concerning industry ya music mwikaleo kandi muhulirize turi kutwateka mu mpinda hinduka runi kutwateka ibitekerezo kurango industry ni yakura
yes nyina cuts atere bidongo DJ mwete DJ of different clubs hano Bunyoro katira mukya abarozi ba Kitara TV
abarozi ba Kitara TV nyona baramukia mabaragange ne nyoka DJ kuri mbishoka bingi ho imana Kampala uko abakuma abakunkenga kati DJ uri hamwe
yes nyina mu isiki wenka ali musajja zino Serena T9 nono mmanyire muzini ndamuki abarozi ba Kitara TV.
Abarozi ba Kitara TV muraire mutamsibire abali Dubai, abali US, n'abali Muhoima, n'abali Kampala muri kurungi. Amabara neira kandi nyo Serena T9.
Yes, mumazire kuba ni murora pano yenyina banatekaniza urubazo. Kwenda sabite hoire aroho mu group WhatsApp group emenya bayiremo anyahura bigambo apuli byabayimo baza. I think mukaningisanze bigambo na matrix no gamba n'abazini bakwefora tibakutekera maba present Kitara kandi you know baba present ninye mufora abazini nabiki bintu nebikusinga hawo ngwanda tutandike na yapuli ansonga gyo yenyine.
I think the genesis of this maybe utagetegeze kurunge the genesis of ebigambo byona mbere bya Rugire actually to me I think it was uncalled for. It started in a WhatsApp group. Iyo muzini omu arukwenda kwesimba rundi actually yesimbire arukwenda kikaro kya vice president of Uganda Musician Association uma no kyatandikiro kontingisaniza ibitekerezo abazini abesimbire umosira butuna babiri ku rugano Bunyoro that is kusima Irene na Hanson Balirono so ntulengaho kwingisaniza ibitekerezo kurora abazini yabo who is worth nwaso kutukonyera kandi unakozereki kandi ebyabo byomaiso biri bita like obangete manifesto ya industry
nkoreke kibeyo bijja kulina abantu
nkomuzino ujya kukoraki fine rundi oyambireke enyuma emyaka ebiri ya covid abazino kabakonyeraho ki like that. But I think a group in Kabandum nsana nkaba ndi in the wrong group whereby everyone who was there kabali fani wa omuzini. So maybe ebitekerezo byange batabigonze nkomuntu because for them they are looking at one thing akaruru and for me I was looking at how industry can be helped. So ningira anti nkoku halimu people who are really eyeing and who are trying to fight hard. Akrorango Hanson yaba vice president wa Uma, they did not like some of my comments and some of my thinking. You know,
the comments
because there are some opinions you can bring out there, like how you can ask Nuja Kwesimba, what have you done on ground okozereki before kando gyakora
onjugize nango byasabire manifesto zali bamugarulira.
Yes. So when you bring those things kwenda kumanya the manifesto or what you've done before abazino bakonyirota at one time no banoenda kumanya because maybe there are some things don't know as a person but you want to know, but at that moment I think my opinion did not
batagifeo
itu bahagifao baitita matching n'intekereza yabo omanyaro umuntu kutafaye ikintu atakwaira amatu then aro umuntu kufaye ikintu akwaira amatu betagamba no we are not moving with you understand. So that's where ebigambo munambere bya Rugire munywani wange matrix ya Rugayo with Kale, he became annoyed, I don't know why, and we end up becoming parallel on some issues. Yes.
Aban, you only munta hosting a number of events. There's abazin shows, mukilabu, bamuzini bajango mukilabu, ayenda bazaho jamba nankali mukilabu. Ekintu ekyo like enkoragana yawe hagati n'abazini babanyiro okay batari n'abanyiro bonka abazini MC that does MC building artist.
Me, I'm a DJ, MC, and a presenter. Three things in this entertainment industry. So sometimes I complain as an MC, complaining nka DJ, complaining nka presenter. Those days back, there is some posters when is circulating by Trade Park, Chariwange Trade Park. I know that you're watching. Kirungi muno baka sharing by Joyous Pro Trade Park screenshot from Figure West claiming that some presenters they don't play music, some radio station basule bizina byabazini in computer. So that complaint it's been running.
Not
even Figo, but other artists. Presenters tibatuyambire, but DJ tibatuyambire. So I had to come out, as in me, Abanavik. I took my views about that complaint on my WhatsApp status. They were like 5 pages. So Owen DJ, there is a DJ called Owen around the oil city. You're screenshotting, then you're sharing group Pavin, Pavin the fake easy artist. So you're sharing, so they had to take a hoikiakurura. Take it a so kia pulipika waina bazaho kile kiarugire mu group weri then kia mounting on this. But my point was nti abazini bainangiri ba sometimes abazini tibenda kwehereza aba MCs, presenters plus DJs. Zavadi came out, being a friendly. Matrix ya Moabuza, what do you mean by befriending you guys? You mean that is not enough? You understand? So to me, I was supposed to answer on befriending to make it clear. And befriending doesn't mean kumbonga on Sangyo Muhanda, or to text me or call me when you need me. I gave them an example. First of all, here, we celebrities, Bunyoro, we have celebrities, and those who want to be celebrities, they never about celeb.
Very famous.
Famous. We are more than Kanana. You understand? What we are supposed to do, let's be friends each way. Let's follow each other on social media.
But I think, do you think ikisinga kubatali baneza kiri kubanti oli serebu nono serebu igozi zanyu nizo
so at that point kyo kitalibaniza atamanyire. You understand? Kitalibaniza atamanyire. Never is example. Take a look at those celebrities who inspire us. Look at Eddie Kenzo, Apas. Those people, they follow each other on social media. If we are celebrities, Kanana, let's follow each other. Following Yekule. I don't need Matrix to call me to tell me Urban Intrukiza Kazina. It's because I'm not following Matrix. Because Matrix is updating each and everything. Project Yaina. Ajakwana kiateka yo, I'm in a studio kura kazina. I'll be alerted. Senaja kwana kiakura ni manya. But unfortunately, Cats DJ is always playing your music. Cats DJ na birthday. And you an artist who always crying for Cats DJ to play your song. Not posting. Even you don't have any idea. And Cats DJ are in a BD. But when it comes to Cats MC, Jugglers, you even know. And keep with your birthday at Jagalas. You even post happy birthday Muganda Wang, happy birthday Chari Wang. Those people, they don't know you. First of all, let's first build the love. Let's put music aside. Let's put that I'm with DJ Muwat. Let's connect love. You understand? There are some artists abazina bala heru okunti asembayo kuija mwini box yange atukize kizina kiyaga. Nkanu adikya udiki yayo nairoka audio plus the name of the song unagenda. You understand? Aha. Adikira kuja in box na kusaba interview. You understand?
Runi na complaininga kazana kaya kakwa tokatera.
That's so if you're still with that method tutujja kuatagana.
Matrix ba presenter ono MC no presenter. Bazi ni mugamba bananka ba DJ tibakutira bizina byanyu oba kubagare inyuma industry nibo abatagikuza kyonka bakugamba timubafaawo timukuba prefer timukuba nywana timukuba sembeza hii timukuba na bizina byanyu
ati ekintu sawa omanyire wewe ale bintu ene bakambazinga mpere katoyita mukuru wa pole ono ensonga eyo balizogeyo okubanze bayirege a cause ya how the whole whatever situation got to this level. King Sagamba, I'm going to describe the whole situation in Kosoro Fumurumoro Bunyoro. Omuntu tikiriki obujunanizibwa kugema engaro omaiso g'omulema. According to me personally, I think it was wrong for Apuli kugenda mu group y'omuzini ondi akimanyire nti omuzini ogwo ayinamu n'abazina n'abandi boona kukolaki kumutyongoza kumuprovokinga. To me it was wrong. Why am I saying that? Abazini abo babiri boona banywani bange at a personal level. If I may say, Ninyo yakoze a breakthrough song ya Irene Kusima. She came from Kampala, she got the blessing in Bunyoro. Next one. It is her breakthrough song at the moment. Then, for Hanson, I keep Sagamba, now we're at a personal level. Hanson is my brother. We've lived together for quite a long time. He's a very calm person. Niwe muntu ataruga hukabati. Aikara achuleire orundi bule omukozereki omutyongo izemu. So me I think omusango nguchwera Apuli akagendo maiso ga balema yatandika kugemenga. That is one done. Then ekindi kyaba something to do with relationship. Ekintu ekyo kikaire nikigenda maiso muno. Nyonta kata ile music ya Bunyoro. There is a scenario I kept following. By the way, abantu bangi bakabamanyire ndi musambi wompira, but let me tell you, I've been in the music industry in Europe since 2006. Recording kazina kan kukubanza ndi St Jude. Nyine miaka 12. 2006. So naija ni followinga nitwasolinga tulina figogo mpora figo ya making official yakenda mu music biki. Then all of a sudden I followed him nyonya sigara somero. Figo ya taile hit. Many radio presenters promoted him with expectations. Of course, in Komuntu when they can have expectations. Bakababaine bibakumunihiramu. Abamu bakabamanyire figaja kufuna gasente abahe bwaraga igahara nabo aija oketegereza something like that. Expectations eziri material.
Tokutegeza nte kabankalavu yokuze music yanyo.
Tabe love. Many presenters bakam promoting. Nibenda koraki bamanyire they were looking at benefits. Hata muyahikira mmoja hikire demands zikira akwenda kora video ya kabi akwenda agenda hera akwenda at the same time he has a very big demand area man. My representative kumatandikire gam. That's why I had requested you he should be here on this platform by the way. But presenter but creating a kibozi ndifigo tagira agirenge sombi. Better baka kuzaga figa akabakoraki agirenge sombi akakoraki. No one would say Figo does this, but they would say oh wakago tupenda agirenge sombi no bakakuza akakoraki, but in a reason. So that's what I'm saying. This issue of relationship nyonka kabuza abakuru bano kila muno ba radio presenters ba DJ nabaki. What do they mean with respect, relationship and being friendly? Omukuru ina kya turamburuiro kake nyageza kupicking his perspective of this whole thing. But now the challenge is abamu haba presenters oba aba DJs na abantu abandi mu sector bagenda haroki bitweta okuhinguraniza. Oketegereza people omuntu ajja kugamba man you don't respect me, but in actual sense ekigambo respect kya Kumanyisa it is kuteka omuhogo oba kuteka omutwaro munsa hoyi. We agree that is happening. I don't want to point fingers kagamba nanko bana look, we agree all of us.
There is even a scenario aroshe actually tell you nyingi bazini kugenda stage aenda kushoka kusonda kazi
nyowe
no bamuteke yo batandike baraliyaye
nkwenda kubaza kintu eki
but at times kyabazine omudanta kuchire kyogamba
nina soka imbanye na kumara
kacho kamali
hati ekintu ekyo kyenyini. I'm one of the people one day bakankaguza people many people think maybe timanyire kuzina by the way, but I'm one of the biggest artists here. Big people who have followed me musically. Now, the challenge is here. Nkwenda kuoleka me have when you're giving a service, do it diligently. Ito tutaba scout. Nyono obumani mpo mwana hiti tinyina kimunihira mpaka sente kanga ka studio. Hati I've sacrificed myself ngomuntu. Nyabanza kurwanira kuteka yabazini bandi. For example, I've gotten when I lobbied Papa Pate Kuijahani, I was in charge of all artists going on stage, all artists getting a poster. But for those 2 consecutive years, I did not put myself or even kukuruga kagamba nkwenda kusamba stage, of which nanyonya yetagaga platform egi nyakwata bazini nyabahanika abandi tibakansi imaga, but I'm not complaining. Okay, so nikyo ngamba abene baitu bana ekintu ekyo bakiheho
ekyasente
itwe tukole bukora
baitu kandi there is ashobora kuba
tukole bukora
tinkwenda brandly tukyolekya abazini bano nti sente tizina kuba music ara kibetanka motivation tene tangu tere kizina kyawo kangu
let me tell you
baba nisangire mu kilaba
Julius,
I have one thing I want to clear. Abazini abaliyo. Uganda is full of many good artists. You know, sometimes there is a guy from Vision Group. He did an interview from me, things hindering Bunyoro music industry. The only thing is we are poor. So I want to tell you, Sazino Muzini, I'm telling you the truth, naked truth, or Taina Seti, you're going to struggle.
Because
Julius,
I've been, even right now, I'm working with Viper Ranking and the team on this Sisobola project here, the Sigaba transport money. But I wonder why those people keep on telling me, Muganda wangi, emitwala abiri ejo dijo, ntadeke emitwala abiri, so rabe ba DJ. You understand? Then I come, you understand? Ntivo bakimanya what is going on. Nyewo muzini, abazini bayibangi balete bizina. Nyombo ina abazini bayingi. Najana ngamba Aban, flash yange ngigyo Matrix ansindikire, nti Matrix akusindikire. Kyonka mbimanye muzee akasoda. Nimugamba no, first hold on. Nsoke nkole ohulire. Not all musicians do good music. Not all musicians do good music. No. Arumu kuba nayi wenyini no abazini baheru. Arogana gamba leo Chris Brown kine kiyate nota kintera flash ya ati kino kintereo. That means that judgment you do on Chris Brown songs, on Fireboy DML songs, don't put their Peru, don't put this. It's the same judgment people put on your music. That means there is music which is good and the music which are bad. They are even abazini. May I hear people discussing about artists? Kusanyanga bwegwe kuzintajja kabire. Akuzina
yabira abani ukulinda okatitozo okangende mu cuts abani basically watugambire abazini tibaine nkolagana lyabo naye iwe bizina byotere byabanyoro babikuletera abakwa sente obyanka
byobizina ebyo kuteera ebiba bindi binkolera kimpuro wadde atasuke ku ntoza ekyo nikyo mplayinga baino omuzini wenye nawo wajja atinka Serena ampikia wenye mu inbox nanga akatsinyina akayaka kantu no kahuliza mtikindi kujage kuplayinga right now ugenda kuplayinga mu club usukwa no hula mu quality turuka oya
sound
bino weta kutuka no mugabo ekizina kintu kyotukize tikine waka no baza amazima nyoma yenta mtu amazima atakwenda nabiba wite amazima gasara choka ate kilo abane bitinga byona bayibalize
iwe personal enkai wabo kuba otera makirapo and abazini bayite nibakwebizina iwe nkoragana yawo nabazini okisangiro
era nkoragana nabazini nyo connecting abuna abati tutitawa abampikaho tikenti ngomuzini warakatuke kizina buli muzini ngeni nyo namutoza aina kutoza bakira kugamba ndi ebyabakamiliyoni kamubifuna ebyabashibaka mubifuna ati tukali kukalevu ya bakamiliyoni tugeza uko yombe kaituna kana aboja abali talented bakyali bayingi ati abama boja bayikuba yali bonga yani subscribing channel zaabo gwateka yakayaka ninkafuna kwa kuno ninkahura Nikole tubikola. Batu waleke gama ntingu maya wa DJ tuenda kuplaying music yao, maya tukwenda sente no. Kiko inkolagana kiyoira n'omuntu ogwo.
Serena oli muzini. Obaire for some years teka genzere muno. Nkujuka ninja postingire ninkugambe nkolagana yawe radde. This was I think the same very question. Ninkugambe nkolagana yawe n'abazini. Na rather n'abanaka n'aba DJ. Kuko ensonga abakinkweserege abazini bakusinga muna abayisikidde ba complain bayingi ba complaininga mbu ba presenter baina kutoka kuteje mu kitabu atere bizina byao iwe nkolagana yawo n'abantu banu batugamba ba media ba tere ba DJ mu club okisangira ota
nyewe nkanyewe Serenity 9 like nyewe nkolagana yange n'abantu abo ba DJs aba ma radios TV presenters ekinsoka akora nyonka nyewe kinyakengere cause kine kintu tukiteke mu demand and supply ogena no hiro muntu tintagamba mbuti bali abana bakubasabira kimu oli dinasente nazanga ole sele business naga man
That's good.
Atuko kalete byo mwange balo hoti jaba baza but obokatandika kulete
wakusoboza yo mu balete
tuwaberere muntu enkaitwe nyowenka nyobo mpikira obundira ta business okagyanga okenda kutunura kile kintu mitubihwaho
akwenda promoting chongana bili na kora na
Now let me ask Serena, giving someone money in music promotion, is it bad or good?
Extremely excellent.
It's good or bad?
Okura like omuntu obumletera business like olesere kintu kyogamba sent. Ainangiri kuja sent.
So kuteka music
but I feel on the new
why mahano tutuina nyingi mbunja kuja nkueleze mitwaro nka 5 kwe kam kwe bubiri kwa Pato kumbi
ekyosoboye
nyonka nyonka
motivation
now first of all your relationship yange n'abazini is excellent because program yintere yinkora morning delight spice FM I'm entitled kuzane bizina bitanhasi yebina every morning but every hour ngina kuzana mekizina kyo mwana wa Bunyoro
ozana baba bakoire sente bonkashi
ebizina ebinzana I play music enungi eroho erugira production enungi music eroho no around this song really is fit for the morning show you know you are working a morning show banzura abantu okusavinga nibaha ekizina kyo kutyanikira you want to bring in gospel there are some gospels for example kezale Vixen that type of music your gospel you can mix it there haruna bazina abanda butino no muzino mutamanyire most of the artists timba manyire first zabo I play their music nkaija hano hoyi I started playing bizina byaba Crusher vibes just Nectar I knew him and maybe Awe and even this gentleman nanka Figo ebizina bina tubitera ekinte kya sente nicyo mukwetororera umuno money is never it's never a priority mu bakozi ba marediyo mu percent mu promoting but it depends you personally as a product mu presenter ogimuleti irota kan product yawe rieta secondly ogenzera mu production mu matrix okwasira mtwaro makumi yaga tiniko mu production ozitireyo example kale for example ogenzera mwanisimu Kampala wateka 1.5 or 2 millions for production wagenda maybe hajaha live aba video ya kusamiro ni kama how much
jala
zona zako
kaitano munano oko 10 depending how you are esene zotere production nesene zotere music video kukwata kizibuke kyo yine kukwata audio yawe okagamba cats DJ kwata yo omuda bunu kukubemu onywe chipemu ya nanka ochamuke otunge vibe then nanyo kandabiza. So at one time, like this one said, abakugamba ngo abapresident no basaba sente. These are the guys maybe ngamba batayine sente batazina. But the guys abali ahindura gabojo bahamel basindike bizina. You think bizina bya hamel bitirano busa? The guys who are meant to move them and to pay money and they are getting money. Me, I have guys producers.
No, the boss said I bring you a flash with 200.
And
you have to confirm you got it.
I've been dealing with that from Kampala. Who went and upsell from Barara. But producers, for example, in Kanashi Wanda, is a big at Nanka producer in the music industry. But Nashi Wanda wakona kwa kazina mwana sura mwao. Paka jakugamba next week ndinda akonja kukola chi naye bango on his will. But to generally nyo muzino wanu wa Bunyoro, if you have a good song ekizina kya ukirungi muno nora ali in the program yinko it is suitable to be there, I don't need to ask you money. Kila leo kusimo kagamba it is worth it. Then ayo kero amani go gamba ito ekizina nke milioni 10 for example akuli ko mu mtwaro ko munimba nkozire ko. So we need to create this relationship kwetegereza ngana kurangu wamanya ngu musical guitar which is business tinoko. Matrix is in a production ali artist ali coordinator bine bintu bino byona all along. For example sari usoka mutele musente munebemu. But at the end of the day musical girimo, what are you doing? Is it business? So if it is business, you are bringing a product ogitoyere mu aba nka MC runika DJ runika presenter really ako muhaira akoleka complaining
apuli kwendo terekea kati aban njya kujya kali ukazoke maban aban tugambe bizina bino ebisigara mu studio bane batahura bazina nebisigara yoko tugambe songa abakaba bizina yabana bano bitaku bata muno sente eri nsonga ya sente kiki egyo ensonga ya sente. It will ever be my number one issue. Ekyazinga mize Bunyoro industry. Take me where, bring me where, over where, I will always tell you we are still down financially. It's one. Recently I was talking to one of our producers around Vibes. I was asking him, Vibes, akasente kaijao kwa wana kurabata, cause music uturukize, vibes on the beat, wakwa ntumanye kintu kiro. But omwana akangamba, unfortunately it's not what you think. Abazini baitu no bakumuturukize kizina ki emitwale 5 kisasulira omwezi gumu na kusanga mukikubona ku 1000 na ana nkumi nekindi even abazini bano betokola abakuba abali haikuru abarukire gyo
abalengero ku koliba
na ba promoter tiba sente dingi ziri aho. I think abakuba nti ne sente ziba kufuna boko business kisikira to me business kuturukia sente zo kuteka muna kisikira izo kora izo kutunga.
Another thing here, as we Bunyoro, we need an association area Bunyoro oba Bunyoro entertainment industry or Bunyoro music industry. We don't have. I know they are there tuna mabara, but right now in the actual sense we don't have. And we need an association era egenda to coordinate na city oba ogo wena akagaba license ahereza license aba bivulu promoters abarugwa Kampala hano inti kuhereza license you have to include 3 local artists list yao and they have to be paid by nakuba poster, because we as DJs, MCs, presenters, we are demanding for quality music. But quality music, what brings quality music is money. Akasente ukakuija mwana jakwana affordinga ne sim. Akasente ukakuija mwana jakwana affordinga a good production.
Aho yenyewe. So aho yenyewe ngoenda kuija. Akasente ukakuija mwana jakwana affordinga matrix.
Na ijo wawe
ambaze ensonge yenyewe. Julius, there's been a rumor circulating in the matrix asera. That is a trademark in Juara Kanyo. That's what every artist says. There's even a time you asked me the same thing. You know, I was in Kenya in 2010, Kitengela. That time, Obuirobo, I of course I was at Calif Records. California Records. At that time, Nkona Boleka ekintu ekibeta music, it grows with economy. Hati kankoleke. At that time, Diamond bamusasuraga a million musanjo za Tanzania. Here zikabaziri a million asatu na musanjo. Obwire obo ka million na kolera a million 5. Oketegereza kintu ekyo. Mkugambire 2010. Diamond was earning a million musanjo za Tanzania per booking. Ka million nafune a million 5. Diamond yakoraga musho emu nakora omutwaro gwa dola na affordinga obwire obo hakabaho company yabaire ne ijabu ije ya South Africa ne improving videos. The words Godfather. He could afford. The only artist who could afford that kind of good production here, Akaba Navio, because of the background. If you Navio, there was this guy akora rap on something. That guy now.
That's the guy.
There's some young guy now family in Koto. Now I keep music grows with the economy. The second thing I want to show you is Bunyoro. I decided to come from Kampala to Bunyoro. That was around 2019. Abazina bakira Kampala bakaba bamanyire bakenzo boha. Nyageza kulete kintu ekyo gamba abazini bano batandike kuhaho ba presenter bano some kamane because I knew they had budgets for promotions there in Kampala. Now this is what the artists used to tell me. Nti abo bakube chikube Kampala, and that is the mentality in all the big artists there. Abageza kuba hasente nibo bana bakuija bavaipa ranking. But if you go to Chameleon ukamgamba on your budget, you have a regional budget. Chameleon aja kugamba no era barabara presenter kungamba ambu Chameleon akamwawa nsente ayimuki umukono. Now Matrix mkwenda kumara ensonga
kyogamba kateito
ensonga erete kinkwenda bagambira abana bayitu tibalina sente. That is true. No, I tried to level the brand. Nyageza kukipushinga kyayanga nyahika bwire nyakinga na studio. For the last 4 months I've never released the song out of my studio because hati nyasoma game nyaga abana bano amananu galiti balina sente hati tugia baka ente bwera beta ina mata tugikame musai. Now
abo even yabona nkana abana tugambireo vibes amugambire ge bitwale 5 bakisondera
nyoko gambiro mwana abana bambale kaga ne bizina mu studio. And even let me tell you one thing. Don't think many artists don't want to work with me. Many want to work with me but they can't afford me. Nyakiri realizing nyagamba abana bantiba ina sente hati nikyo ngambira. There is a question of professionalism, business versus affirmative action. Timanyoba mukietegereza kintu ikibunku gamba affirmative action. Affirmative action obuhabaho omuntu asigaire nyuma. For example, government puts a policy to uplift aba bantu abakozereki. Tuikirize tuwange industry yaitu eri hansi. If we don't overturn that, tukasweka matu.
So
tukasweta tukabanza tukapromote.
Also talk about
aba bazindi tibagi aba
bazali kwa because akazina for example akazina ka bad man looking good ndiyo kana karuga kuja kuruga Nigeria kuika kuno kaijakata.
But I think that you know I had a Shila no yalisire kizinekyo
faida. Shila kamukwata izire ku performinga ruga izire mu Uganda. Ona gambire Kamiri aine budget ya Western Uganda maybe Bunyoro tagine. But now
bagamba nyo
currently first wait I want to give that answer. Abakuba kintu mu kikaguza muna abazini ngo abo haki ni mwiruke bizina byaitu ni mugenda
Chris Brown baza now
yaba Chris Brown baza now. Let me ask you, so mu Uganda tuna kutereka amani ekirachate kyomanyire mu Uganda yona ogenda billboard ya Uganda
the vibing song
echuro saze if you are the one
and I think mushozi zainyo
we also selling a brand radio zinu first we take radio zinu bakama ba radio setting a brand nti music as stations zina abantu ba selecting a music for us we are reckon cha ye komera
but
when you go on TV is not komera what the capital of komera so itu radio zitukora we are looking
kwenda okira nsonge musho yawe ariho umuntu akukomera bizina.
No, it is me who selects. That's my co-host.
You know, I was going to come on that issue. Mbagini kiaenda kumalira issue ya kasente. Nti abana tibaina sente. Me tinyenda kuswaza but I'm telling the truth. Aruho nabazini omuzine ya izire. Yangamba urban promote me nja kupangira sister wangu. I'm telling you the truth.
Naenda kusika kusika eri.
I'm telling you the truth.
Deal wa jangu
I told the guy.
What do you do?
No, hold on.
We yangu amgamba garuka yero.
Hold on, I'm still telling you. I want to show you if I was in him. You know what?
By the way, kiki statement take kuleka someone is desperate.
What hits my mind?
Someone is ready.
And what?
To see, but
Hold on. What hits my mind? These posts bigambo gambo ebigani bizunga aba president batuyamba. I'm getting fed out with that word. Tinkunda muzimuna kubaza kigambe kyuntabaze. First of all nyonka bagamba. Radio stations zinu Liberty, Spice FM, Tekaho, Radio Hoima, Vine FM, na yabakuli. We have the skit 8-waiter quick request. Spice FM is called quick request. Whereby it runs every day. Program ya Kalitanga ya Sharon, ya Fredo. That means the morning delight. But I want to tell you, even if people they call, there is no one how nuwagamba nterekiri atete busi akasakizina kya
abana babisaba bajagamba sama ya figo ajagamba nayo ya kaira.
I'm telling you nkuija kulikisana enti omuzini abantu tubamanyire tibasabizina byahana. When I sit mu program ya Friday ya Hot Spice at Spice ya Rebecca Spice ebamu omuzini wawe, you sample this song and this song, then you pick the phone calls. When I do that show nkaika skit yegyo, I always go local. Ninkwate kizina kya Serena, ninkwate kizina kya Lady Susie, I sample runde kyo muzini ndiwe ni sample nga abana bahana, then ngamutere simu, hello ninyo slow kya kajaka nkwende kibandise ekyo nikikisingiri. That means even they don't know you. They don't know your title, they don't know even your name.
But I think Aban,
Again, they will blame us again. Again, they will blame us.
No, listen.
Again, they will blame me. I'm going to
I'm still coming.
Again, they will blame.
I'm still coming where you want me to go. And it's because artists, they are not branding themselves. Don't wait a radio kuteka mubantu. Fight hard uweteke mubantu. Before you come to cry for media, let people know you. Okimanyire enti, hold on. Okimanyire enti abantu abateka abajani bali posting ebizina byabazini. Post zange za dance power show. Baba chali baba. Na osanga nyuma I know that team yona ngimanyire. Oba team ya Fiki Easy manya banu baba Fiki Easy. Oba team ya Chanli manya bakusaba abantu ba Chanli. Ndio muzini abanza kuraba enyuma nibasabu sababu
ekintu kumuno.
Ekintu kisakuba kikuraba okuba deze time. Kampala oku oba nati bikyaliyo nambe
tawura
ambassador Firebase simanyi
now let me tell you Julia let me tell you
tera masimu gona nasaba
ensonga nyikaini ngambira abazini hano ningambira abantu kaba Clever senior Clever I have told Serena T9 abazina bontanga ine nabagamba you guys ready yourself kutamara hawe kintu kyawo kino.
Yes.
But guys, you make a team on ground. Let me show you posters take ananka WhatsApp. WhatsApp no genda wa Facebook. Beto sanga manya omumbeja omumbeja jaila vape ranking na saba. Uja kubukyali aho vinka na saba. You create your team down to make these social handles busy. Radio mukubetaroho. There are people abantu bawa bari on ground bonka bakoraki abakwimukia. I know nabo kijya kusanga kya sente muto ina sente.
Manya Joyce Wakenzo.
So yekingamba you go in the music. No manya ngoli kurungi.
That's what I'm saying.
Go in the music no manya uri okay. Obola batali okay. Music industry great.
So
because now it is so much demand. Talent wait when you make a hit again. Because nowadays
let me conclude.
This is kwimukia abantu.
Let me conclude. I want to tell people here in Bunyoro, don't look at Matrix to lift you because Matrix kyayimukia. Don't look at Urban akuiheyo Urban kyayimukia.
Hold
on. Matrix is going to do his part. Kukolera kizina kitayise. Urban, I will do my part to play your song. Don't look up at me. I'm not enough. Even today, there's a guy who Muzini, abayimwini box yange. bakangamba omunkaku wa kihonya mugamba no okuba okitandikire because I'm not enough.
Abikwasize Amber.
Yes, I'm not enough.
Kwenda kuleta kyabuzo kino ali kati sente nize zikora hit song.
Sente
Can money make a hit song?
ati ese itumi ya hati Uganda ya hati
Bintu bisatu.
yeke kumanya sente na ikintu kikuru buno
Bintu bisatu.
Abogoba
Talent na luck.
aboga kuina sente ekizino kusagula ogula aroli kwa bojo banyabongula bojo banyuru bantu baina talent chali twaina sente nibazina ku mino samuteka ati za kampana afokeo star choka sente gigs choka sente nazo sometimes ziyambira kimukanizi kuyamba bunda kikoto muno
Serena nkurora muno yobize muno internet bino sometimes bino bintu bihindukira mukirize muangare hebizina ebikufoka hit muno nka TikTok na media tabifoita kabifoira attention. Do you believe that in kizina kishakufoka hit baitukirugira on internet?
Social media platform.
Yeah, I do. Era nyona bwire buna mani ganga gakira muno gali ha radio sofa na ha social medias.
There is a guy tunzire munao
Sindon.
Ogo wanyini wemba inyenda abagamba.
Sindon.
But my point was on these two things.
Sindon.
Money
versus actually media chain attention from TikTok.
What abagambira history y'omwana ogo. Inywe na hanu mu TikTok. Timanyo baharo amwende before that. Let me tell you, there are two things. There is money versus talent. Haro muntu kuba ina sente ata ina talent. Haro li kuba ina talent ata ina sente. Sasa bintu betu biona tu ina comparinga tulime kutunule kintu money. Now let me tell you the story of Sean Don. Tukaba mwane simu beta yo kuli gonya something. There is a place there no genda bunga otemba heruguru wao. I'm forgetting the name. Hakati ya match in the Boston. I'm just forgetting the village name. Tukaba tulina ne simu akanyita kurungi. He was sending me to the bank to get some money. He's a personal friend. Shoni Don ogo mwana alimpa akaija natunda ebikaijo natunda ebikaijo aina nejita omwana ogo
Kitayo nagimanya
nagimanyire kimwa kitera kimnazina abaganda bageta kagwira oda
na mnakusumira maono
ni mnamwe bibiri na abasumira wao na abateramu natunda kano bukaijo ati bwatahamu tukaba tuikalira kabalaza na nesimu buna nyondi mwaso zangeza music nesimu yagamba sebo tunda chi bikajo yatamugeti obwiro obo nesimu akabatai na musirikale yatuguze bikajo yamugamba naye kati sebo mukuru jiteyo jikozesa ki nze kuba mu nina n'obuyimba bwange kati kyogamba woge nkuba kagwirawo live band guy yamukaguzo ino naye wano woli omanyiwo omwojo akagumana atandika kusuna nesimu yahura melody y'omwana neiraka na buli kimu yapikinga yagamba ono mwana gonza taina sente koleki
takuba mu
kinu nkikuhera obujulizi nesimu akakwatiraho omwana ogwo yamutwaranka mu studio ya recording ekizina nyo nyagenda bank hali nyagakire kuruga bank ekizina kiya recording ile nike kizina bakieta abafuna tukolerera abafuna nesimu wenyini ya sera Spice Diana yaija yateka hakizina amara so this is what I'm telling point money versus talent.
Yes,
where we find talent let us support even without money, which is okay.
Hold on,
but the only talent
supplement on a
whole thing is money
about Alimpa.
Yes,
we call it luck. Akana tunde bikajo unfortunately yagwaline simu kiacha kiakwata. You want to gamble like that everyone.
Alimpa is talented.
Yes.
That's what
But what talent over in if you check on his YouTube now, I never seen a binga can kick the content yakizina kim.
but
Let's say yakizina kuyachkwasire story yake it is supposed to sell even if you are the one. Look at the video, the beautiful singer of Uganda. The Gambia Koleseze, it is good. So no wakuba oli talent rutaine sent. You want to make every song a hit. Kija kuja kimu chikurabiyeo ekini chikugale
sente zirotatingire mu
ita tugamba
anda no muntu kuba ina talent ate ina sente
that is
do you think intano mu Bunyoro twinayo nka abantu akusagamba ati ni kambe manager ba promoter ba beta bata nagamba ati omwana ono mubina ina talent muhire kigoro ya muhire kiziramfumbe muhirenga aina talent but nyoka mutekema akasente kona kenyina for example you have hand to support na lepo ogamba music lepo ngabokorora kabakorora swangzi ejja kugende ye nakana mbireka muhire muteke musente wataina sente bate muteke musente ngambe nikeke kikyala kingiseje even music ya Bunyoro.
You know, I always talk about that issue. Inti Bunyoro kino kibazanta on radio over everywhere. First of all, we need to get about music artist managers, to get about promoter, tibatahaho, inti tuina aba wannabe, aba nkwenda. Because first of all, inti Bunyoro is where abantu bagenda kukutera mneto ke batakumanya. We need tukotaka kutusomesa. Akwenda kwa manager ainakora tamanyire ke inakuwa nakora. Tamanyire nti ku managing omuzini inakora ki. And first of all, inti abazina ababandize. People had love for artists. You understand? Inti ona balizege haki aba presenter bakayamba figo. Uyagamba bamuniya muganti abo ali kurali bahereza sente. I'm against that. Inti
kakuyamba oli nyama.
Me am against that. Inti there are some people abagira omutima gwa Bunyoro. Ukikenge nyina nambe I will tell you nyina nambe nyayikire bakaba katatumba there is Katumba family. There is musajja Katumba family bamweta Bigirwa. That guy tukaba kansango ntubazurugana tuli mu Ruganda tubazuruganda ndaho ntyo but someone called me ngabugamba ndakiki oli kurumba kanje nkuterere genda kuyesimu hakutu musajja kabandi hana stoic mist oli Bunyoro hey tuge tuikalire hayi I was even standing nyego kunye Karamba road so inti aborulimi there are some people who support for the love.
Okay.
Hold on. Presenters, maybe when onongea kiboi nemu. Into tuyamba for the love. Matrix have been pushing you. Matrix have been calling you. Mze onayaka hiyaka. Abana take a music abana flash about Rukize. Overrated. Vibes ebizine byake abana byokozeri take a flash on the tere. Favor gento kikie kiroho. Bade favor gento chali wange kanandu. Pankuleta mzee nkweta mzee itaija. So hold on. Inti ekintu kinu tukola just for the love of the game. But arobo hika inti ohagira omuntu no hagira ibe habuza no wamani no kora bitu ekibale ketukanywira omwenge tibagwana ntebe empia katugwadira ki ndi baitu wewe omuntu onvugire boda yawe ne kyokene kisa
challenge by the way
usangala amayironda na
kyokene kisa go togiteko
promoting
the big
hold on kwenda kumaliza ensonga empabulize nti abazini abamu tuina abantu abaina love yokuteka mu sente mu music
baitu bushaho abasika
kole
abantu babatire mu
ababandize bakateka
bakabasirize
I will tell the truth. Munywani wange Burwani wa Imedia akabaina omuzini called Sabasaba. That guy did whatever any man can do for an artist. So whatever happened,
now
I'm not so sure but nkahura munga baitu byabi byene byabaire byali true. Sabasaba ki yamukozere. It will take you a lot of time.
Ati sajja nkogo okusaininga abantu abandi.
Ati so wire bunu nikyo ngamba abazini kumuzina gena ija radio aine bizina bya ngamba urban nkono toleze manage. Ni mugamba no these days bebe kulu akatekisa ngamba take a sente wolaba. Bwire bunu tikyala mulembe gwa babudu mulaso gwa ijaga no gamba Matrix bangambye kutoza abazini nti tere kidomoronzi ne mwobulire. Ati nyewe ngaruka anagauja kuzina. No. You do good production no kwata video enungi ntakurubasa wake ekyo. Oli na kuya work na ikara na timu yaye nibahuliriza then bagamba akora nti akora nibakuterera akasimu. Before you fight to get a manager muleke your worth to be invested in.
Now ensonga gyaba like music label promoters we have them because even I myself if I pray ebizina byono muisika promoting amose promoter I think nanye itafadi ntireho obukura kazina ka vibe I don't know nanga vibes za sanati nkamuraka bata kateli piano li libali akabi high jump libali akabi. I've never seen him, but when I go on radio katagamba high jump already omwisiko owetamaya Jovi Keila, I don't know her face bayana inakazina kaniu. It's a good song kandi ni Karabao ono uzina uyatire bwona ask her kampa the same. So when you penetrate okatungo mugiso katera kazina karungi amazima gani ngo hanu busambanga abantu kujya bakuspyinge ngo rubabanaka ba managers ba mani actually ni ba managers amumanyire I sent hamzini ayefura unamufao ono naija naite mtwano ka 3 production bayoke 15 nangana mugamba tuna budget ya marketing bano munyumba manyira abo no muzina agambira nyo sene zono zinteiremo zona zange manete ni kya henek omuzina kanobwire go kugwa because akoisigira unajya kumwongeraho fine soko mkolenga fine soko mkolenga connection fine baitu nguriki mukwani is one investing ngire mukatunzire mbuzi mtwaro asatu turukize kizina iyo ni manager wangi akasenda kuona kunteire mukonde from my package
to be a manager.
We don't have managers but promoters we have. For example banu producers, they are doing good job in terms of promoting ba icon, they are doing bana bojo ba CJ like to ba ambeo haridi
ni babaza kiana nkakia akia boli producer kwenda kuleta point tumalize tekanizeni ba producer ba radio presenters ba DJ bakusinga wale complaining kia quality music inyi ba producer bakimtakole bizinde bikwitinga ambe bikutera ambe quality abakiki ali
Aro presenter gamba hano quality ya production audio production kyali info ba DJ Mubunyo
bakuba gambere bizinde
bimaze kabuza
bagamba bandi bomba nanka mujeta bata demo
Aro anyone then is there anyone complaining of the quality of the
currently abazini balengero but not as producer balengero but not as such because abazini abamagana kwa tekizina kidemo na kizinira mu nakireta without being mastered now takura maraka ni gamatchinga kurungi no sange bigoma byoka ni bigoranira kali omuzini
so twina ba producer mu bandi bakyatukia demo bunyi because only produce
ateke kenyene nikyo kwenda kubaza the first reason was why I asked this by nenda ku assessing the level of improvement
the industry have improved
good enough our people realize this there is improvement in quality in terms of production that one we acknowledge. Now the issue is here. The challenge we have in production is abazini they don't work to do the real hard work. They don't write lyrics, they don't practice those are the challenges is twina banyo kwenda kubagambira na mukirize mwange Bunyoro needs both bad songs and good songs. We only need quantity to flood the market. The good songs will penetrate. Even some other bad songs. There are very many bad songs that have been hit.
You know,
they are there.
Now song ngene iko na
baba songo zora kizira ni
technology swati kwenda ba Jesse ba selector bazanira muga ba the king na ba Robert Linda but the production ikabe kyali hands but now when the technology has increased have improved give us good music and even good software.
Good music is there, but I'm telling you if we want to go advance anywhere we need both good and bad music on the market. You can't kugambire. There are many people that have made
and I don't already out of body already
do you know the song called I'm a God? Me I'm a God.
Aka Bafan.
No. He's an artist from Ghana. He's a billionaire out of that rapper guy. Ajwale Bichegere. He's like a comedian. I'm a God, me, I'm the God. It is a very fake song, but it penetrated the world market.
I want to tell you one thing.
Every master studio nkubagambira bene baito
kuba arone kizina kiba latest
mbona bahakabadi okufuna sente kuraba twenda kwegaigaza mbona bahakabadi kange nikaka kusemba yonyomba gambi I've been in the industry there busamu zina tamanyire Kampala. If you guys want to elevate yourselves, even us abantu batufiringe tuinakore kintu kimu tuinakuita amatu oli nobwo kubateire kizina kirungi ali mu Nigeria tubanze tuita amatu tubanze tulabye ebyo omuka aba Nigeria, that's what they do. That's what they do. If you do a collab with a Nigerian artist owabu tikijja kutera
linda takabe kuruga yokwetaka kutera obalizeke hakigambo kya flood music.
Yes, we need a lot of quantity.
I'm going to ask you two questions then nkutaise. Flood music, an artist in Bunyoro, a club, a radio, and a stage. Akusina kwetaga kikuru anti music ya Robert.
A club, a radio, and a stage.
Yeah.
Omuzina kwetaga byone ebyo bisatu.
What is the most? The number one, a club.
It depends on the type. It depends on the type of music they are playing.
Anto gambe flood.
Anti kugambire omuzini wa melody, omuzini wa
then we go
general of music and
then we go like this again.
Omuzini wa dance olo kwetaga club.
You've been in Hoima.
Omuzini wa band kwetaga radio.
Hey.
Okay,
so you've been in Bunyoro.
By the way,
my music is about when you are
directed to me.
The
only thing is a message. The only thing is a message. Hold on. Kwegesa. Kusitaza abana bato aheru woko. Ebigoma is it mastered well? Is it produced very well?
Akazina kugambega kasini. Kakutera mu kilabu kakutera mu radio.
Sondon.
Everywhere. Hold on. I was still with Matrix.
Hit.
You know, I was still with Matrix.
The hit plays anywhere.
I was with Matrix. Ogambe akwetaga byoni. For the all years you've been here in this industry, oli muzini okolera habazini kaino girora, which platform ekizire muno kurabya habazina abarabiro orundi ye nkahana mbere bakwa bwizege ekizira kino ngiturukize Matrix nkwa sente zange ngende mu magic niyo bakire Kitara ngende harediyo bani ndege bivuru nibijya MC nantekaye
nyonye enda kuba open. The only time we had real music in Bunyoro was the time we had analog TVs takaiza digital and we had BTV. The only reason as why abazini bona kakugambire kakwa, for example, Figo, I will show you artists abakira. Most of the generation songs we have were promoted in the time when people had TV, and that TV would only play songs from here. Now, I think when TV, of course, but let me tell you, a kinto kiasingire kuleta ngabazini ham, it was viewership ya TV, and kiasingire kuleta kikaba TV ekaita matu yaleka ko tiyatera gebizina bya Buganda yabitaraga kiroko saa 8 netera kazina ko mwana akaiva ni batala kuruganye enja ne karuka milioni pesa
TV ni yasingire bara TV yasingire
ukora ba stars yani kugambira for the last 6 years we've not had
so mega TV rugaho munaka mu club radio and nothing is what
nyakugambire
abazini barabirenka opportunities nambira abazini
bakungambe ya ekiyakabire
kisobaye twine twara bizine bizine
by today they were not as
so much was I'm asking there is an artist who is there was refresh ya kuhabuza mutandikira
ati kale tugaruka kiyakabiri urundi mungambe the second thing maybe the second thing now the second thing that has promoted artists is a radio. It is ahead. It is even club ni wale chance. Okay, because that can be abazini baitu people that support musicians are people, they are not party goers.
On record nyongera mubara baitu ni kubera amazimu mubara kulekizana kyo mwana wa hano it is rare.
It is rare.
Ngena mu breeze
aho niho mani ya
kubura mu DJ agambire olekezana kya Jesse
this guy has why he was asking those questions.
Hold on. Have I answered you well? Yeah, you have answered me well. And it's because inti omuzini if you're targeting your radio, manya Urban wokubihiro tekizina kiyawe. I'm under my boss. Ekeye nkyaka yakolete radio ye. Yagisetinga a standard ye. That's why you see their songs which are played. I show you Douglas. Their songs ebatera muno bikukuju. Ekitakusagenda after 5.
Gamba capital.
Oh, you understand? Ekizina kirimu abikukuju kitasobola genda after 5. Hati tukimanyisa ento muzino ogwo abihirwe Douglas na Cuts. Quality. So nikyo nkugamba nti iwe muzina aloko. Don't just stand and say spicy abantu batya bizina byange. Come to me, ask me.
What do those guys do? Temanyira chabuzo kino pabuzo. Serena ohondero music industry ya West Nile. West Nile nyira bazini banywani bange bagakedi bala Strodifa Manyamowa. They are good friends of mine. But for example Lakedi bano throughout the week abana bookings shows zaizi banizijura bintu kebe mbaganize those guys bakora.
First of all, you can't compare regionally.
Mulendo na nyoka amaliri. Ekintu kirikimu. Itwe amazima gali tukwotagerede tukuzenda n'umuntu kyonko mburungi n'ombubi omwana wawe n'obwaba mu byata omwana wawe zalire n'obwali ba mu byata.
Serena, can I answer you?
Hold on.
That's why Matrix Obalizege. I want to respond to you.
Bakukuiha yoni bagambo waitu ni wako.
That's why have you done kumatiza abantu bakobolasho bakukingire kumatiza abafanizi ngumungonze.
I want to prove you.
Have you built a brand? Iyo kwa zile brand ku muntu.
I've been a producer in Kulu. Mwikirize mbatugambire. I've been a producer in Kulu. I've been there in Muhaso zange. Now this is what the advantage ya mahanga geyigagira over us. It is because olulimi lwabo balwehuliriza bonka. I've been here. They don't understand. Now
but also region ya kusinga Bunyoro.
Yes.
The population go it's okay biki nesende nyingi but the first thing is olulimi tibaruhura.
Kandi bali na kazi bakusinga hano Bunyoro.
Kugambira kintu kya kabiri. Ekiamani nkwenda kumagambira kintu kyakabiri ekiamani ekiambira abantu abo kupenetrating. It is kwesagika supporting nkabo.
And you know, let me give you an example. I've
been in clubs here.
But is it still one man?
When kwenda kumara yo point ya nkaba hana resort yenyini mu club during lockdown abasajja baruwa bayijaga ne robot yabo nibateka robot kilabu netere bizine bya Kampala oni baende byabu nibakola kasakao mugade
what you're saying you answer yourself.
I'm telling you
ogambire kintu kyokubanza tibahuliza lulimi lwakuno.
Yes,
good.
It is one love.
Why do you play me
Nyongugambira Open Bon Town akukakole kizina kiyagunde ekyebara
mukwenda ambaza abantu
yakigarukamu mu rucholi kyakoka hiti era
mukwenda ambaza abantu ababa mu club obamu mu barezimu na events ezimwezi nkoleramu television bya hana jana agamba nenye mukutera bi.
And that's what I'm saying. It is love. Hata tukisingire ku affecting it is we are bantu tuli bantu.
I want to answer Serena ogambike owawe mwana. I want to tell you Serena sometimes aleki tekitubaza on our behalf. I told Jabwai nawe Jabwai yageza kuba nabaliza on behalf ya bazini banyi. Yamugamba if I face you as in you banyetaga yiwe tinkwendo balizo onda ku struggling artist obaki. Serena you've been favored by DJ MCs and radio stations. Take that and you miss and you miss. My last point is like this. Serena, I want you and other artists to know me Urban playing your song oba muzini wena playing your song oba muzini wena kusana kizina kiyabo tinkina mu buzibu
iyo point yange ngeyo mwana kuba wawe kintu nkihaire banu like
me tinkina mu buzibu was urban but companies nikyo kugandegenya kugamba their songs which are played on the Kuju program which can't qualify to after 5 years. It's the policy of the company.
I don't know to your high reason.
You understand?
One of the reasons ya waki music yetu kiarao ndipo kwamba walizoga kia sente na bikebyo nti buso competition irao. Kwa kuba habaona competition ni sente
no competition. There is no competition.
Nti twina competition abo kwati twina
among musicians there is no competition.
Ekyo kibazo kintumaliriza.
Competition ejo naye kwetagisa kandi nayo kintu kikuru muno.
Ito mutaja kuro serenali siri enungi na nyonyi na kuleta ekusinga.
Ekusinga.
Ashaka michetu ali finance.
Na sente ni zinaleta
kandi nyewe kinguru abazini ekizwe kiriho hoima hano. Abato hoima tibiyinda. Atu agakura katsi chakwa mu. Sana nyomba da wampikira. Na mpika na agakati spinenge tukakiro. Ekibi yake kwazo mundu kwa kabyo. Bato muzini wenyoka ko utakuna DJ to waratia music yao.
Let me also
I've made stars here.
Kanyongera.
But DJ mkusagamba kamba gambire. Kusagamba okay, aba DJ nibo barabya habazini. But let me tell you, you know that
kuitagangana.
You know that I think kuna kuoleka tukotagangana, that is true. You know that there are some DJs who have got opportunities through me, an artist.
Anti niko kikali.
Nkugambira, I have very many DJs who can testify. They have got money and opportunities, even connections.
Matrix.
Baba ya nanu, baba tuwara Kampala.
Matrix.
Out of Matrix.
Okay.
But I kunsima.
Mkwenda otuhereze ekitwina kora like nkabazine ba DJ tumalize tekana.
Ekitwina kora itwe nkaitwa abazini. Kanke bazakino tulengero. Habwire bunu tulengero. Tukozere tukozere. Nyawe point yange kegende hali abantu abakwenda runyoro abagamba mbo runyoro rukagwa bikibiki inyo abantu inywe nyini twende runyoro turwende kyongani cyo kusaga turugonze mu bino mburungi obabiki twende runyoro oli nakugamba tinaini wandi bayiroli hara obakota zino ruganda hato hali ruzino runyoro
kati tuhereze ekitwina kora enkoragana bagambi twaza enkoragana yabazini nainywe abakutelevizina byabo
ati nyewe kitwina
abo kuba ikikirize kiyange abazini kakwa bagamba ati tujja kuba ebizina nainye mujja kutoze bimuratera
nyomba ningirege mba ningirega apuli nyamugamba ati televizina byange ngona kibaza kwa wewe
tuhereze tubalize tekaniza
maneka mazambanezo
njya kweza no
apuli nyamugamba ningirege
njya kubalize tekaniza direnda kati
nyomba ningirega televizina byange.
I think that's what is disturbing you. But that is not a big point to me. It's not a big point.
It is a point.
It's not.
It's not.
For me. It's not a big point.
Hold on.
It's not a big point. It's not a big point.
way forward
Matrix. This is not personal. We came here. Matrix, I want to tell you one thing. Okabaninga akuli kutatira bizina byabo. Togia kula loss, tagia kula loss.
Apuli akikora loss.
Me have no issue with you.
No. Tugambira jajikora kakati.
Ati niyo kula kini cyanyine kingeza okubaza. Tukagwa tayina connection.
We are here to consolidate. Number let us finalize and get the problem sorted. But this one is still telling me Okabaninga pool. Not in the Muzini. Once I do a show, erumu ebizina nkatera, I'm entitled to play songs, ebizina nkabina bitanu per show. Matrix obo kwanga kugato kwena pool intera ninkuuliza ningamba thank you. Abazini Bunyoro bayingi platform number okurugana yawe akiziba kyokora. Then ogaruke nyuma kula bimu kujamba boss bange.
Apoli.
To go to
Ogero ensonga.
Let's hold on.
Ogero gensonga ero kisani kilo sazi. Kibi. Niyo kula shaka na agamba baje walifani bakora.
That's bad. Because me I'm not here to beef anyone. Tindano gamba ngizire ku boycotting omuntu wena. Ngandikene ngamba tuyambangane. Omuzino bazoleka obu ni malira Matrix gonzono ona gonze figo abazini nyona mbanze mweyende you promote each other kizina kizira push her na pushing watuke kizina ija mwapuli if the tune is okay I will play your song but to boganga apuli kambaninga nothing in loss ni nsonga za nsonga tuzikire nothing kola loss what I'm telling okay I'm not doing any
it's like this
it's not about me and you
hold on. You know, this industry, abazini buying, and there is someone who, there is even an artist who was like, inti, tuwaka ingikira kutira music yanyu, na music yetu timukira kutira bizini. Ngubo abazini bahaka inega present, akira kutira music yabo tukusirana. Yamugamba, if you have the audio state, hold on, yamugamba, if you have that audio state, hold time nayo. If an artist akusobora kunyita gam abani soko je hano mzembe nyina nko mutwaro ntekea stage performing, you understand? An artist is paying me an MC wo nyini wako bribing me take abani akaflash kange kanu mzee nkwe kiyebiri mga linda okamanzi ngena kwangire kuteka a list ajja kugaruka umrani tabalire Serena nanga mzee nkugambire ge aki esatu ngamba hold on ngamba ukimaita toli muzini. You can't pay me to give you a stage. You music ikora nkuheza stage yabusa. So if we are still on that level, bino tubireke. Ebabeka bibayiro kunagambireke empaneka emayabino yitoko ekatandikya mu because of akuhabuza mandate mu group we. So ebyo Matrix na Puli, let's put those issues.
They are not personal, behind. They are for the music industry. That is personal. Me, I'm okay. No, there's nothing personal.
My heart is okay. My heart is okay with every artist. If you feel like you don't want me, I will not.
Okagwisega wagamba nti abazini bona bahaka yinegwa babaka bechuire muga bakanga abantu kutera music yabo. What are you going to play? I'm telling you, there will be a vacuum. You'll miss. No. Yes, you'll play these other songs, but Bunyoro music will not be there. And that is a niche. Now this is what I'm telling you. Of course. Now,
Matrix.
What is the niche? New train ekiyankoze ekinyamukanire kutera music yange. Let me tell you guys. Our presenters, someone will call you and tell you, I want to see you, I want to meet you. But the main reason as why they want to meet you, akutera kazina kusike eriyo aija kukame. The intention of the friendship is why I reached a time when I was like, so and so, don't play my songs. I'm looking in the main camera, my camera is in.
But if it is a collab,
because depends on my yes, of course, even a collab, but it is a collab for yours. You are not let us love each other. Let us push the music. What's the point here? I have no issue with him. If he feels like you don't want to with him, it is okay. It's okay. I don't make any loss. You make. I don't. Man, I'm one of the best. I don't make any loss. I produce 60% of the content you play. 60% of the content you play.
Nkwenda kujukiza Bunyoro Kitara convention. Ibiro byokwezi kibanza mpaka ibiro byokwezi bina ejja kuba yo kwa Musanju. Mu America mu hotel bakwata Mario Bandenda. Bunyoro Kitara convention kwano yenda kumanya ebikusingaho. Kwano yenda kumanya ebikusingaho. Okusobola kubungira omugende gwabo website yabo www.bunyorokitara.org kusingaho kukinga nebikusingaho nokujukizaho washa records
nyowe Matrix orakakora
omwana gwawe music
against me. But let me tell you, I'm going to make it without you.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.